In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Best Buy gift card. If you've never used a Best Buy gift card online before, don't worry. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, go to bestbuy.com in your browser or open the Best Buy app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, start shopping for the item or items you want to buy. Take your time to make sure you've selected the correct model, color, quantity, or any other options that apply. When you're ready, add everything to your cart. Next, open your cart and click Checkout. This will take you into the payment and order review process. If prompted, continue through the checkout flow until you reach the payment section. At the payment step, look for the area labeled Use a Best Buy gift card or store credit. This is where you'll apply the value from your gift card to your purchase. Make sure you're in the correct section before entering any information, especially if there are multiple payment options shown on the screen. Now enter your gift card details. Type in the 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on the card, then enter the 4-digit PIN. Be careful when typing because even one incorrect number can prevent the card from being accepted. After that, click Apply. Once the gift card is applied, the balance will be deducted automatically from your order total. You should see the updated amount reflected on the screen. This is a good time to pause and review the payment summary so you can confirm that the gift card was successfully used. If your gift card balance covers the full order amount, then you're all set. If the balance is not enough to pay for everything, Best Buy will let you pay the remaining amount using another payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Just select the option you want and complete the rest of the payment as usual. After that, the final step is to place your order. Review your order details one last time, including your items, shipping information, and payment breakdown, then click Place Order. Once the order is submitted, you're done. Best Buy will send you an order confirmation email so you know the purchase went through successfully, and that's how to pay with a Best Buy gift card online.